So we're just going to look at the running total quick measure. So we go over to sales, press the three dots and pick new quick measure. Now it's in the totals category, so go down a bit, running total. Click that. We have to fill in these two boxes here. So we're going to accumulate the sales by date. So we pick here our measure total sales and we drag that across to base value. Then we get date, that's the column here, date column, and we drag that across the field. So we press OK on that. Okay. And this here is the quick measure generated for a running total. It's a calculate, and the filter first that it uses here is the filter on dates, using is on or after. We'll look at that later on. First though, we'll create a visual. So this will be a table visual. So click table here, and just so that you can see it, we'll actual size. So we put in our columns here. Just hide that visualization one here. Month, name, then total sales, and this is the quick measure we just did, the running total, like that one. So these are the results of our visual. So we start off here in December 2010 with 43,000 worth of sales. That's the running total, same figure. And then the 469, then we get to add it then, accumulated I should say, into with the 43 to get 513. And you can see that it's increasing as we go down through the months and the years. All seems to be working fine. At the end here you see 45,000 for January added to this one here, and that's our overall total as well. So that just all seems working fine.